Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. Today's recipe is leftover roti cheese burst pizza. This is a very simple and quick recipe, so stay tuned to know how to make this leftover roti cheese burst pizza. The ingredients that we require to make leftover roti cheese burst pizza. We'll take one chapati and we'll nicely spread the cheese spread that is easily available in the market. Here I have made the homemade one. Use around 2 to 3 tablespoons of this cheese. If you don't have the cheese spread, you can also use the cheese slices instead of the cheese spread. Now place another chapati on it. Spread the pizza sauce evenly. This pizza sauce is also homemade. Link for the pizza sauce video is there in the description. Now we'll add the cheese on top of the pizza sauce. Thinly sliced onions, also capsicum and tomatoes. You can also add other toppings like corn and olives if you like. Moving on to the next process, first we'll heat a pan. Once the pan is heated, we'll add a dollop of butter. Spread it using a spatula. Place the pizza that we have prepared on top of the tawa. Close it with a lid and let it cook on low flame for about 3 to 5 minutes or till your cheese completely melts. After 5 minutes, we'll just open the lid. Yeah, as you can see, our cheese has melted completely. Now we'll turn off the heat. Now our leftover roti cheese burst pizza is ready. We'll slice it using a pizza cutter. Yeah, as you can see, the cheese has melted really well and is oozing out. So there you go. Our leftover roti cheese burst pizza is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, and also if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.